This exterior door has flaking paint, weathering, and wood rot. That water damage needs to be fixed. Now, this is a garage service door, which I've noticed gets no love, lack of attention. Often we see the damage on the garage service doors, but it could be any exterior door. Let's get to this rapid repair. The supplies needed for this repair project is simple. It is wood filler, exterior caulking, a caulk gun, a spackle knife, a sanding block, exterior rated paint, and a paintbrush. Okay, you're going to want to start with getting the flaking paint off. I love sanding blocks. It's everything you need. They can bend and conform to your shape of your trim and moldings. Okay, these door weather strippings are going to be in your way. They are designed to be removable. Go ahead and take needle nose pliers and give that a gentle tug. You want to do that before you sand and before you paint, and you can pop them back in at the end. Okay, I see this often. Door jambs at the bottom will get the water damage and the rot. Let's get all the loose debris and then put wood filler in there. Plastic wood filler by DAP. DAP is one of the nation's leading manufacturers of wood filler and caulking. This is the #1 seller, I believe. You can buy it in traditional colors or this pink formulation. Starts off pink and then it'll dry as a natural color. Look at that. That's how you know when it's dry and ready to sand and paint. Yeah, it's called plastic wood. When it dries, it will be completely waterproof. This is a non-shrink formula. Now, depending on your temperature and humidity, will tell you how long it takes to dry. But as soon as that color changes to natural, you know you're ready to go to the next step. While that is drying, let's keep sanding and get to caulking the gaps. Okay, on to caulking the gaps. Inevitably, the wood will shrink and you'll get gaps there. Now, if anything is loose, go ahead and re-secure that before you caulk. Once again, DAP is the #1 seller. Not a sponsored video, just sharing the product links in the video description down below. This is an exterior grade silicone acrylic caulk, a 50-year warranty, rated for exterior use. Watch out for that. This one is ready to paint in 20 minutes, or if you're spray painting, you can do it instantly. Start off by cutting the tip, swivel out the puncture, pull this back, drop in your new tube of caulk. I'll come back and smooth that in a minute. This will all get painted white when we're done. Okay, let's give the wood filler and the caulk time to dry, and then we'll come back and apply the finished exterior paint. Now, this is definitely a do-it-yourself project. Don't hire this out. You could do the sanding and the prep in the morning and then the final painting in the afternoon. You could even do second coat of painting later in the afternoon if you want, but definitely do this one yourself. Progress report on the wood filler. It's been about 10 minutes and it's about half dry. This rotted hole wasn't super deep. If you have a real large spot to repair, it'll take much longer to dry. So as soon as that's not pink anymore, it is dry and ready to sand and paint. Okay, onto the exterior paint. I don't like the squared off ones. I like the angled sash brush. What's happening there without taping, as you pull that down, you'll just naturally see straight line. It's just so much easier. Onto the paint I selected. This is the Bear Ultra. It's exterior grade paint. This one comes in the ultra bright white. Stain blocking paint and primer included. All the expensive modern quality paints will have the primer included because we do have bare wood here. You definitely want primer. In the olden days, you would have had to apply primer first, wait for it to dry, and then come back with finished paint. Now we have primer and paint all in one. Now you could take time to put painter's tape on and mask off the vinyl siding or whatever siding you have. I don't know if you remember from my previous videos, I'm not a huge fan of painter's tape. It takes so much extra time. You can just get right to the painting in most cases. Now this paint says you can apply a second coat if needed, but it is a very high quality stain blocker. with the primer and paint all included, so I think we'll be in luck here. Long even strokes, it matches the natural wood grain. Kind of choke up on your brush, you'll get the best angle. Here's the rotted spot. Okay, now after the paint dries, snap back in your weather stripping. Make sure not to get too much paint in that groove, otherwise it'll be difficult to snap it back in. If you damage the weather stripping on the removal, you can replace it. It's quite inexpensive.
Okay.
This is a rapid repair you did yourself. I knew you could do it. We'll see you next week.